if any of you guys want to get serious on it and you guys want to get the help that I put together to build a ManyChat roadmap, for example, you go to agmninjalab.com, agmninjalab.com, and we have put together courses and trainings to help you with this area. For example, one of these courses is called Bot Building 101. This is, aside from having training, weekly training that I give to you guys, I've structured it all so you guys can get the help that you need in order to keep yourself moving forward. This one right here is called Bot Building 101. You get that course done and you're gonna be building ManyChat bots like that to bring people into your world after the social media gets connected with them out there. Shopify training is in there, Clickfunnels training is in there. All of it is in here right now. So I'm putting it all together for you guys to access the walks that I talk about all the time. Everything that I do here, I put it over here in a systematized way so you guys can do one training, the next one, and the next one, and get that skill implemented. It's not an exaggeration, this whole saying about knowledge being power that has been told over and over again countless times in the world of marketing. Knowledge is power. You have the right information to succeed. You don't have the right information, you're gonna have a tough time making it in this environment. In Shopify, I like to add my favorite app here next to it. Let me go ahead and do that right here. So you know how I said free favorite apps, ManyChat, ClickFunnels, and Shopify? Well, there is a favorite app called Zipify. And this app is extremely powerful for doing exactly what ClickFunnels does too, and what you can do with a Shopify channel, which is upselling products, building landing pages to bring people into a funnel. That's all possible with Zipify apps. So if you guys wanna also scale your Shopify, we have a course and training for that. One of the courses is e-commerce essentials, and there's another one called Zipify apps. And that one is gonna show you how to get this whole thing integrated so you can get more revenue from the existing customers coming into your funnels.